Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about a person who is blind, who is not able to see the things, but that person is able to listen whatever spoken. He has the ability to listen. Whether such kind of a person should learn English language or not. So I will talk about this in this video. Actually, if a person is blind by birth, then I think that he should know his mother tongue. His mother tongue is enough to deal with his family members, because he has no ability of reviewing the things, watching the videos. So when he would listen his mother tongue, then he will improve that language. But if a person who is learning English language, who is interested to learn English language, and in the beginning he is not blind person, but by chance suddenly he becomes blind, and due to impaired vision he is right now not able to read or write, to see the things, then I think that his eyesight has gone, but his interest is still alive. He is still willing to learn to speak English language. Through telephone, he can communicate with other people of the world, and he can discuss about his eyesight, about his bad condition, bad health. Then with the power of this language, he can attract the attention of international organizations and people. But if he lacks the interest, then he can quit learning the English language. But still, if the interest is available, then he should continue his process of learning English language, and at that moment he will have to develop his listening power, because as much he will listen, then he will deliver the proper things. So only things, because he is not able to read or write, only thing is listening, and for listening he also need the help of someone other, that he is not able to play or search the videos or podcast on social media, because he can't watch the things or icons. So he should I think that first of all get a help of someone, and he should download lot of videos in English language. Then he should learn from where he can play those videos through signals and through gestures. In this way, when he will listen the videos or podcast while keeping his cell phone in his pocket, he is able to develop his listening power, and when he will develop his listening power, automatically his speaking power will be improved, and he will be able to speak very good English language. Otherwise, I think that main thing is interest. Where there you are interested, you can do wonders. Where there you are not interested, you will feel exhausted. So interest matters a lot. I am hopeful that you will find today's video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss our other videos. Uploaded lot of videos on this channel. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.